So today I'm going to show you my Enhancement 2 assignments, and I'm going to start with showing you my SQL statements. So I'm going to copy the first set of statements and put it into our clients table. I'm going to hit go. So then you can see where it has updated the table and by inserting into the clients, which is here. And then we're going to update inventory. So I'm going to go and copy and paste our statements as well. Then it should be showing up in here. And then I'm going to copy and paste the next set of statements for the category table. And I'm going to paste them in here, and we're going to see them change. So then now you're able to see the name. It's selected the category name here as well. Okay, and so now I'm going to show you the data connection functions, which I already have pulled up here. So for it to work, when I run it, which is going to be in my library connections, there we go. And when I run it, if it works correctly, it's going to be blank. And then if I break it, my error screen should pop up with an error. I'm going to run it, and it is a server error. And that is all I have to show for today.